So today I just went to Walmart and I got 3 things that I'm gonna be opening today. So first up I have a squishmellow right here, and it's probably a fox. So yeah, I got this squishmallow. And then I have squishmallow slime, which is we're gonna open right now, if I can, because I am trying to find something. Okay, whatever there. Okay, so here is the thing, and then where is, okay, and then here is where is the tab? Okay, so, okay, so my dad helped me open it. Okay, if this feels gross. Okay guys, so, okay, I'm not expecting that. Okay guys, this is sticky. Oh my gosh. Hey, come here, little guy. You're stuck in there. You're stuck all the way in there. So guys, here is the slime. It's a squishmallow slime. Daddy, can you help me open it? Because I can't, guys. My hands. God, oh my god, this feels so good. I can't believe I got. Oh, this feels nice. Like for like a minute. Oh, that doesn't really smell like. This does not smell like cotton candy, but. Oh my gosh. Mommy!
Huh?
Look, it comes with a slime. Look!
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Is it satisfying?
Yeah. Do you want to fill it? Fill it. Cut it.
Yeah.
It's, like, for a minute it was sticky, and then now it's not. And then Mommy. Hold on. Look, get off me. Get off of me. Get off of me. These are sticky, and I don't want to do it right now.
Okay.
Like, these are very, very, very sticky.
Okay.
Like, messy. It was, like, very messy. This feels nice. I found this on YouTube, and, like, I really wanted it, and now I have it. My favorite one on YouTube was this one, so I just got it. And it has my favorite colors, duh. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you love pink, because I do. Pink is my favorite color. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this is hard to get out. Jeez. Get out, get out, get out. How do you even get this out? This is very hard to get out. Mommy, just... There.
You got it?
This is very hard to get out. Does it look like it? Okay, there. Now I mixed all of the colors in. That's okay. That's okay. Whoa. Oh my god. This feels so nice. I love it. Whoa, Mom. Look.
That's awkward.
It has a very satisfying crunch sound. This feels amazing. Oh my god, this feels so, oh my god, yeah. Okay guys, so next we are gonna do the big squishmallow with it's all the way over here.
The big reveal.
Dad! Sorry, that was my dad. I have a giant squishmallow. Oh my god, this is like so satisfying. I love it. I can play with this for hours, Dad.
Promise?
Huh?
Promise?
Yeah. Oh my god, this feels so good. It feels like cotton candy. It feels like cotton candy. Hey, we forgot to put this little guy back in. I'm gonna name it, wait, what's this animal? So guys, it has a time that I love.
Comment with what you should name it.
Yeah, guys, comment what should name it. This stay out of the way. Okay, guys, so, that feels so good. And look. This is so good. Okay, anyway, now we're gonna open this. Oh. Okay, guys, I got this because like, guys, they have a Valentine. Okay, let's see what I got. And Daddy, tell me what to open.
Open.
Mommy!
What? It's a devil.
Mom!
That is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
How do you know?
It's got the horns.
I like it. Yeah, yeah.
Its name is. Move your hand.
Huh?
Atwater.
Atwater. Okay, so this is Atwater. Okay, guys, and now that was all for today's video. I hope you like it.